Ano na, i-unlock mo ko, mag-i-unlock mo lang ko.
Thank you, Kim Shane. Kim Shane.
And in my capacity as education program supervisor, in our Lipan the alternative learning system, and with the facts and figures presented to us by our school principal, Dr. Gilbert Garzola, and with the assurance that these 748 learners or students have satisfactorily completed the minimum or prescribed requirements set by the Department of Education under the revised K-12 curriculum. I, Dr. Earl A. Senas, hereby accept and confirm the 748 graduates of Asian Learning Center Incorporated, Batch 2026. As such, I confer upon you all the rights and privileges of the and you are hereby eligible for transfer or admission to college